Hello everyone, I'm M from the CSSC branch, and today I'm going to interview Mr. M Siddharth. So, can you briefly explain about yourself?
Sure. First of all, Divya, thank you for giving me this opportunity. So I'm Siddharth and I'm working as Oracle Labs TPA. I'm working with Oracle right now. So I started my journey with Wipro. I worked there over 2.5 years. Then I switched to Oracle. And coming to my educational background, I studied in Itam, that is near Technically. So I completed my BTech in IT stream. I graduated in 2019, and as soon as I graduated, there was an national-wide Wipro, exam conducted by Wipro. So I got selected through that, and yeah, that's how I got from that.
So, what motivated to choose your career path in software engineering in this route?
So I was kind of curious since my childhood, to be precise. Like when I was in uh, like plus two, there used to be a old system in my home. So I was just curious about how the things used to work in the background. Like whenever we do stuff in the computer, like how the things actually work in the background. So that curiosity just pushed me to pursue this career.
So, like, can you walk us through your career path that you've been through till now?
Yeah, sure. So as I said, like I got selected to into Wipro through the national wide hunt exam. So as soon as I got into Wipro, like I got training for Oracle Labs DBA role, because there was some requirement for that. So I got trained for 3 months, and later I got into a project with EA Electronic Arts, that is a major gaming company. Then I have worked for around 2 years with that project, and later I transitioned to, I got like I started hunting for new jobs, new roles, and so I got selected into Oracle.
So, what motivated you switch your companies from Wipro to Oracle?
So while I started my project with EA, so it was kind of interesting. We used to do a lot of upgrades and clonings and all. But later stage, like there was a period where the project went into the stable thing. So it was kind of stable. So there you like my hands-on got reduced in that project. So there was very less task to do. So so I thought like I need to improve my hands-on, and like I need to gather more knowledge on this. So I just tried to switch and I got it alright.
Can you share your role that you have in your current job, in your current?
Sure. So my role is Oracle Apps TPA. So what we do is we handle both database and also applications backend. So if we need to install some kind of plugins or need any installations to stabilize the application or make the application to run smooth, we handle that. And apart from that, like if any new user wants to be like created in the database, and or any CPU issues or memory issues, like that kind of stuff also is being handled by our team. And apart from that, we majorly involved in doing patches for both application and database. So as you know, like every application needs upgrade, like need bug fixes. Like if there is an issue that needs to be fixed, so we apply the fixes in form of patches. So we do patching in both application and database.
Okay, so as a DBA, what is a project that you've been most proud of that you did till now?
So this is one field like which wasn't taught in our academics, whether it be in our graduation or in our schooling. So this is very less to known field. So the only training I received was when I joined Wipro. That was for 3 months, I guess. So we can't do much in 3 months. We just need to gather the basics. And so I have done that, and I kind of has this thing like whether I can perform or perform well or not in the project. So there is a task we need to clone our production environment to our test environment so that the developers can do necessary testings and build applications in the test environment. So we need to do clone for from our production environment for uh, like every month, like we used to do twice or thrice. So that's the one task which is very that is a major task, because if anything goes wrong, the whole environment may go down. So we need to be careful. So as production is involved, so I was kind of scared before doing that, but later I followed the documentations, and I carefully have done that cloning. So yeah, that was the one thing, because it was initial phase of my career. So yeah, I'm kind of proud of myself after that.
So, as a BTech student that I am now, I would be interested to know if you would change anything if you were in BTech, if you were doing BTech now, what would be the one thing that you would change, that you think you would have done, it would have been better if you did that in your BTech career, in your BTech life?
So I would be focusing more on coding. I would be focusing more on logic building. I would be doing more projects on my own. I would be doing more into participating into hackathons, or else now we have lead code and all. So I wasn't aware of that at that time. So yeah, this would be one thing. And going by the market trends, DSA is like kind of high like have high valued skill. So maybe I would have worked more on DSA, data structures and algorithms. So and also I would focus more on Linux because that's the thing have been being used widely in all the organizations. So yeah.
Okay, so before concluding, my one last question would be, where do you see yourself in the next few years, 4 to 5 years?
Uh, as I said, like I'm currently working as a apps DBA. So I'm kind of getting interested into DevOps, which is nothing but managing the development and operations simultaneously. So I have learned some new tools for this. I have spent almost a year for this. So I'm kind of thinking like if I get a chance, like I will definitely try to switch my career into DevOps as a DevOps engineer. So I would definitely like to see myself as a DevOps engineer in coming years.
Thank you, Siddharth, for providing the useful insights. I'm sure it'll be useful for me as well as for my peers. So thank you.
Thank you. All the best.